Hey, hi, hope we are doing great. This is Sampath. Today I'm going to show you how to find targeted LinkedIn profile email ID. And if you see here, CEO in Captain area, this is one of my client requirement. Now I'm going to show you how to find these profile email IDs. And this is going to be very easy and simple. You no need to have any technical skills for finding these email IDs. First, go to Google Chrome extensions, install this Chrome extension called Email Grabber. Once you install this Chrome extension, you can have a chance to see icon like this. So this Chrome extension also will help us for finding email ID. So I will show you that also. So then after close this, simply come to back. If whatever the profile email ID you need to find, just open that profile. For example, I've opened this profile. I need to find out his profile email ID. So first better you can check here contact info is there, right? Just open and check that contact info. If some people will upload their email IDs here only. If that is not there, it's not a problem. Just simply close this. So then after we have to find his company website name first. So if you see here, this is the company name. Just simply copy that company name and paste it into a new tab. So once we paste here, we can have a chance to find his company website. This is his company website. Just simply open that. We need this domain name. So then after, just simply go back and copy his name and paste it into a new tab. Just simply paste here. Okay. Just simply copy his name and paste into a new tab. Then after, just copy his role and paste. Just copy his role and paste. Then after, just copy his company name and paste. This is his company name, and I'm just copying and pasting here. So then after here, just simply type email. Now just type at the rate. Then after, whatever the domain name is there here, just copy that domain name and paste here. So just remove this all this HTTPS www. Just only type at domain whatever it is .com .in whatever it is maybe. Now just simply type enter. Now if you see we are seeing some results, right? Just simply click Control F and paste that website name and click enter. Once we click that, we can have a chance to find that relevant domain email IDs. See here, we are able to see here some profiles. So here his name is Andre. Now here we're able to find his email ID here. See how simple is this, guys? See now we are able to find his email ID on simply we're just typing this code here. See here his email ID here, company and Andre dot something. This is simple, guys. How simple is this? Check it here. We did nothing here, and we uh, just copy his what are the rules is there, and we just pasted on Google, and we simply found his email ID here. How simple is this, right? So this is the process, guys. So we install this Chrome extension, right? If we click that Chrome extension, just click open and click prepare to print, and this Chrome extension will grab whatever the email IDs we are able to see here. So through this way, this Chrome extension will help us. So now this is the simple process, guys. So now I'm going to show you another profile also. So you will get more clarity about how to find like this. Now I'm opening this profile. Uh, this profile, I'm just copying his company name. The same process, just copy his company name and paste it into a new tab and paste here and click here and first find his website name. Suppose for example, this is his website name. Just open that. So then after, just simply copy his name, and paste it to a new tab. Then after, copy his role and company name. Just simply paste here. Then after, we have to just simply type enter email. Now we have to type at the rate, and we have to paste here his company domain name. I think this website is not working. Just just copy, paste here is domain name, and now just simply click enter. Just simply click enter. See here, we are able to see two results here, and just click Control F and paste that website name here. Just click enter. See, just click enter. See, take care of the dots and all. See here. See Jonathan. See guys here, Jonathan. See the same profile email ID we are able to see here. See how simple is this, guys, right? So now in just few minutes only, in front of you only, I got two profile email IDs. So if you have any doubt about this email IDs, just go to like simply any free Chrome extension, free email verification tools, like so free email verification tools, and verify those email IDs. So I'm just opening this one. I'm just opening this one, and I'm copying this one, this email ID. Just click this. Otherwise, you don't need to copy here. If you are already installed this Chrome extension, just click prepare to print. So we are able to see that email here. So this just simply paste here and click I'm not a robot. So click verify email now. So just enter email address here to verify it if it exists. See, this email address syntax is correct. So this is it, guys. How simple is this, right? So in front of you only, I able to collect two profile email addresses. So this is like this only, guys. So if you use the same process and same code and same method, you can have a chance to collect lot of profile email IDs. So if you are facing any difficulties while collecting email IDs while using this process, just comment in my video comment sessions. I will definitely help to you. And if you have any requirement like this, feel free to contact me, guys. So I will help you. I will happily help you. And if you need any requirement like this B2B data, like I will provide you local leads or like LinkedIn leads or any company decision makers list. Or if you have a list of companies, I will found that company details, and I will give you that company decision makers details, or if you want the company CEO's details also, I will give you. So if you have any requirement like this, feel free to contact me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the description box. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, guys.